guys, so basically this is a very impulsive video. This is a pure and simple rant. The video is going to be really unstructured because these are just basically thoughts that are, I don't know, roaming around in my mind for the last few hours, not even days, just hours. And I just have to get it out there because I feel this is an important topic, so I'm just doing that. So please ignore if this feels very unstructured and raw, because it is. It's a simple plain rant. So to give some context as to what I'm ranting about, I'll just tell you that today is 29th May. I will hopefully be putting this out on 30th May. So 29th May, I went out of my house after 3 months. 3 whole months I have been on the lockdown. I have not stepped out. The maximum I've got out is like gone to the gate of my building. That's about it. I have not even gone to the local markets because I didn't want, like, I'm a little too I'm a little paranoid, maybe. I'm a little scared about going out in this whole situation, as I feel all of us should be. But anyway, so basically there was some work which could not be delayed anymore, so we had to go to my dad's office to get some work done, and that's it. And we went out. So my dad's office is literally like across the city, so we had to travel through almost the entire city. The point is, on the road till Salt Lake there were not a lot of cars. There were like, what, I don't know, 7 to 10 cars on the road. That was fine. People, no people. Shops not open. Like a few pharmacy shops were open, a few recharge shops were open, but in general everything was closed, everything was shut down like it should have been. um but when I reached Park Circus, so like from, I think, around Chingri Khata to Park Circus, the number of cars just kept on increasing. And by the time we reached Park Circus, I noticed like the traffic itna tha that it would have been on a normal day, like on a non-lockdown day. Jitna traffic hota hai utna traffic tha. Like there were so many cars outside, there were so many people outside. Forget cars, like, and I get it, usme se 50, even 60% of people and cars that were on the road, I get it, those were people who had some important work, or people who have to go out, like doctors, nurses, government officers, anyone. All these people who have to go out, they don't have an option. तो 60% हटा देते. उसके बाद भी there were just a lot of cars on the road, which did not make any sense. But even if I forget about the cars for a second, as we went ahead, we just saw like the shops were open, like पान की दुकान, चाय की टपरी, chai shops, those were open. People were roaming around on the streets without face masks, without any kind of protection. They were just roaming around, and like, it's not just like one person, they were hanging out in groups, and like people were doing that, वो गले में हाथ डाल के घूम रहे हैं, friendship वैसा. They were doing अड्डाबाजी at चाय का दुकान, which was a very normal and usual thing in Kolkata, but it should not be now, right? Simple thing. And people were just roaming around carefree, not caring about anything. And I think in the 40-minute car journey, I have seen at least 5 to 6 people who had who spit on the road. And I feel in today's scenario it should be a criminal offense, spitting on the road, because you're not only, like, you're literally endangering anyone around the whole area. Because anyway, that happened, that I saw people sharing their cigarettes, again exchange of saliva, does not make any sense. And just people not wearing face masks, like I said, and people just like भरे हुए थे. There were so many people on the road. I was so surprised and shocked. I was like, and it just looked like it was a normal day for them. I could not understand why they are outside, you know. I still get, maybe some shops are opening. If some shops had opened and they had like 2-3 people, like one person or two person in each shop, समझ आता, थोड़ा समझ आता. But these were, everything was open, every shop was open. The shops were filled with like 6-7 people. There were like 10 people on the road, and I was just very shocked, to be honest. Like, and obviously very scared, because I am very scared about this whole situation. But I was very shocked and scared, and that's literally what triggered this whole rant. That is why I'm doing this rant, because the point is, you cannot be so careless, right? Matlab, is it like they don't know how grave the situation is, or is it like they don't want to know how grave it is? या पता भी है, but फिर भी नहीं मानना. I really don't understand the whole concept. No matter how many regulation WHO puts up, no matter how many rules the governments give, both state and central, uh, no matter anything, this will not reduce until we do something, right? That we stay at home, we take care of our hygiene, we take care of our immunity. That is the only way of surviving this whole thing, hai na? That is what I had understood till now. But it was just, I was so shocked by the image that I saw today. There's just so many people that I did not understand why they are roaming around, why they are out. But the point ही क्या है बाहर होने का? And I know, see, everyone, all health ministries all around the world, WHO, everyone is saying that धीरे धीरे करके we have to start settling in the new normal. Again, a video that I will be putting out on the new normal, so watch out for that. But anyway, that we have to start living with coronavirus, है ना? कि वो है बाहर, उसके बाद भी we have to slowly and steadily come back to a somewhat normal life. But by that somewhat normal life, they don't mean that do not take any precautions or do not follow safety protocols. Okay, they don't mean that. And again, our country has been in lockdown for 3 months, है ना? And for the first phase, lockdown phase 1 was a very strict lockdown. उसके बाद उसमें बहुत धीरे धीरे केसेस बढ़ रहे थे. बट उसके बाद as they started giving some, I don't know, freedom, छूट बोल रहा, हाँ, तो as they started giving freedom to people, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके, the cases spiked up. Now I want to ask why. See, now I know the government has to give a little freedom about certain things, and they thought धीरे धीरे करके खोलने से शायद सब ठीक हो जाए. But the point is, and even today I saw in the news that probably the lockdown will be extended for 2 more weeks. But the point is, चाहे जितना extend कर लो, जब तक हम लोग घर पे नहीं बैठेंगे तो उसका कोई point ही नहीं होगा ना. Because why are the numbers rising? Now these freedoms were given for people who need to go out, who have to go out. कुछ काम है, कुछ important काम है, उन सब के लिए freedom दिया हुआ है, ठीक है? And it is not for you to misuse it, and that is exactly what we are doing. We are misusing our freedom. बाहर जाना अलाउड हुआ है, गाड़ियाँ चलना अलाउड हुआ है, उसका मतलब ये तो नहीं है ना तुम गाड़ी लेके ड्राइव पे निकल जाओगे. And I've seen so many people who are going out, they're meeting their friends in this whole situation, they're going for drives, and I don't understand the concept कि तुम लोगों को क्या समझ नहीं आ रहा. And these are my friends and my juniors, my seniors. These are like, so coming from a pretty privileged and educated background. तो ऐसा भी नहीं है कि it's happening in a lower strata of society or something. It's everywhere. The point is कि I feel कोरोना से ज़्यादा तो ये लैक ऑफ कॉमन सेंस जो है ना, वो हम लोग के लिए डेडली हो जा रहा है. हाउ कैन यू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड हाउ ग्रेव द सिचुएशन इज? आई गिव यू एन एग्जाम्पल. जस्ट लिटरली 1 घंटा पहले माई ब्रदर वॉज टेलिंग मी दैट सॉ दिस इन द मार्केट एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू व्हाट हैपेंड. सो वन गाय, एन एल्डर गाय कम्स एंड ही इज ऑब्वियसली वेयरिंग मास्क, कम्स इन अ बाइक, अपने घर के नीचे रोका, कॉल समवन फ्रॉम अप, ओके, ऊपर से किसी को बुलाया टू टेक सम स्टफ एंड देन ही विल गो आउट अगेन. ही वॉज वेयरिंग अ मास्क. There was another kid who was wearing a mask, and that person was like, तुम्हारा mask अच्छा लग रहा है, and they exchanged the masks, and then he went off. The whole point तो खत्म हो गया भाई. And this was such a stupid thing to do. And the least we can do, no matter how many regulations come up, no matter how many rules come up, no matter how many vaccines or medicines come out for coronavirus, इसको beat करने का एक ही तरीका है, use your freaking brain. And doing these things voluntarily is nothing, is basically suicide. And not just suicide, actually murder भी, because you might not get affected that badly, someone else might, you know. So it bewildered me. You know, that's the correct word for it. I'm still very shocked about the whole thing. I don't really know how this will stop, except if we don't stop ourselves, है ना. Today I saw there were traffic police, there were normal police. किसी को नहीं रोक रहे, किसी से क्वेश्चनिंग नहीं कर रहे, किसी को ये भी नहीं बोला जा रहा कि you should not be out. कुछ भी नहीं, literally nothing. I've always been someone who's believed in the government officers who's believed not in the politicians, not at all in the politicians, not even in ministers, but जो government officers होते हैं, जो IAS IPS IFS, जो officers, these policemen, I believed in them always. I've always believed in them and always thought that these people are above uh, all kinds of politics, any leftist or rightist ideology. ये सब से बकवास है, right? But it just I know I was really disappointed. I've been really disappointed the with the police of Bengal, at least. Coming back to my point, I honestly refuse to believe that you people who are going out don't have that much awareness कि अभी कोरोना फैला हुआ, ये सबको पता है, ठीक है, लॉकडाउन में ये सबको पता है. So I refuse to believe that you don't have the awareness of how dangerous it is. I refuse to believe that. Just open the news for 5 minutes, you will know how dangerous it is. But anyway, point is, if you know, then why are you doing this? Because क्यों बाहर चलो, यू आर रिस्किंग योर लाइफ, यू आर रिस्किंग अदर्स लाइफ, एंड नॉट जस्ट लाइक एक दो जन की लाइफ ना. बाहर अगर तुम लोग जा रहे हो विदाउट एनी सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशंस, यू आर रिस्किंग लाइक एटलीस्ट 10 people's lives. Okay, and why would you do that? What is the thinking or ideology or whatever or logic behind this whole thing? I really did not understand. I don't understand. I'm trying to understand, but I can't understand. So I guess that is all I wanted to say. This was just a huge rant. I feel us that what we can do personally is maybe talk. If we see someone doing this, call them out and be like, you should not be doing, and try our best to stop these people. But I don't know, I feel they know enough, फिर भी क्यों नहीं रुक रहे. I really don't have a solution to this, but try and spread awareness about how dangerous it is still to go out. Okay, that's literally that's all I appeal. If you are one of those people who are just tired of living at home and just want to go out for the sake of it, don't. Please, it's okay, it's not something you cannot tolerate at all ना, तो उसको रहने दो, just let it be. Okay, don't go out. That is all I ask. I don't know, that's about it. I don't know, I feel this was a very unstructured video, but अभी अंदर से जो आया, I just said that. So I'll see you soon in a more structured, in a better video. Till then,